Hey, what's up, y'all? Matt, Dlux, dluxfab.com. How y'all doing this morning? Today we're doing hubs. Saw a guy asking a question. I've seen this question a lot, so I'm making a fresh video about it. Got our 8mm hub, 8mm stub shaft, 3mm pin. All the new stuff should be 3mm. We kept the 2.5mm around just for legacy, older stuff. So here's what we're gonna do. First, we're putting on a piece of heat shrink. I do this for cheap insurance, just in case the set screw rattles loose during a run. I don't lose this pin. So these are drilled for, take that off. If you look close, these are drilled for 2.5 and 3mm pins. So you're good on that. We'll leave the heat shrink off for now. I'll come back and do that just to show you guys. If you look at this thing, the 1-inch chamfered. Start that end this bevel, chamfered, however you want to call it. Get it started, boom, slide through. Now I'm going to turn it to one side. Push it through. You can also tap it through. Just make sure you don't squeeze on both sides. I'll get that tap the rest of the way through here. Now you may need a little tappy tap to get that seated. That's pretty normal. You want those to fit tight. See, that could go through just a hair more too. So we'll give it another little tappy tap. Don't take much. A little love tap. Boom, we're even. At this point, I would shrink the heat shrink around the back just to keep that in for insurance, but no. So now your pin's in. Take your set screw. Little blue Loctite never hurts on that. Run that in there against the set screw. Snag her down. Bolt your wheel on. There you go. Pretty straightforward. Thanks. See ya.